Hey guys, so in an attempt to make RV life taste just a little bit better, we've picked up the Pit Boss portable smoker. So let's go ahead and we'll give it a try. Alright, so we've got this thing all unboxed and assembled. There's not a lot of assembly to it. You gotta put the legs on it. You have to put the handle on here. And there's a bracket on the back for the power cord to be able to wrap up to the unit for when you go to store it. We'll go ahead and open this up. So in here we've got our rack, our warming tray. We'll take this stuff here out of here. And down here we got our plates. To prime this, we got to take them plates out of this. Get that up out of there. Then down here you can see our fire pot where the pellets will come in to the smoker. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to set some pellets in this and get it primed up and get our initial burn in. So we are always looking for ways to make things more convenient when traveling. I used to hold a bigger smoker on the back rack of the RV, and we redid that this year. We put some Sportsman's totes on those racks for additional storage. So there's really no room to hold the big smoker anymore. So this Pit Boss portable tabletop smoker is going to be fantastic because it can slip into a tote, it can go in the back of the truck, and I don't have to worry about wrestling around the big smoker anymore. Okay, we've got this thing all fired up and primed up. We're doing our initial burn in here. I have it set at about 350 and temperature's climbing on it. Get all that oil they put on the plates there to keep them from rusting, and that, get all that kind of burned off of it here and get it burned in and get it ready to cook. Alright, it looks like we're up to temp, and we're going to go ahead and throw some food in. Looks like these are ready to get pulled off. So here we got our steaks here on the table, all plated up. Don't roast me for the A1. I like A1. And Lori likes hers a little more well done over here with ketchup.
Sorry, not sorry.
So we'll go ahead and get these cut in. Give them a try. I cooked mine a little too long. There's no pink in there. It was only 4 minutes aside. Nothing like a good steak though. So how was dinner, honey?
Dinner was delicious. I ate the whole thing.
Think the smoker's a winner?
I think it's a winner.
Sweet. So you heard it straight from Lori. The smoker is a winner. We look forward to using this along our travels. It's going to complement the Blackstone in our camp kitchen very well. We'll be able to cook some additional things that are difficult on the Blackstone, and be able to lay down some smoke on the things that we cook, and I look forward to doing that. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what types of things you guys like to cook when you're on the road. And until next time, we'll catch you on the road.